Alright, you guys, this is Butch. I'm going to attempt to make this video. It is very windy out here, and it's a little bit noisy. I kind of got away from where some of that noise was. I'm smoking some Butera Latakia number 2 in my estate pipe I got at the Country Square. And I am in Birmingham. Some would call it downtown, I'm not sure. But I think I've told you that Birmingham was founded on steel. And it was because iron ore, limestone, and coal were readily available here in Jones Valley. There was a small town here called Elyton back in the 1860s, which was, of course, a turbulent time, but Birmingham was not a city in the 1860s. Birmingham became a city in 1871 when a bunch of wealthy guys decided to make steel here. And once they did, they started building these furnaces back here. And they would turn the raw iron, they would take it and turn it into what are called pigs, iron pigs, and the iron pigs would then be sent away to be made. This one is called Schloss Furnace, S-C-H-L-O-S-S Furnace, and it was home to many men working. They had their homes around here. And I'm gonna get in the car to finish this. There we go. Just afraid that wind was causing too much disturbance. So anyway, this one has been preserved. There were several, over 10 in Birmingham, and all spewing smoke into the atmosphere for many, many years, until plastic PVC pipe. That and the EPA Act of 1970 telling them to clean up your air for the citizens. So after 1970, like they were being shut down before that, but after 1970 they were all shut down, but mainly because they weren't viable anymore economically. So a lot of jobs were lost, but all of them were dismantled except for this one. And it has been preserved as a national historical landmark, I think. And I wanted to show it to you guys because they have concerts down here. And inside of there, like not inside of those metal containers, but under, there's a place in there where they do a lot of metal smithing now. There's artists, it's an artist colony. And I might show it to you one day. Because it's pretty cool. Pretty cool. So I wanted to show you Schloss Furnace. Blah, 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 blah. Schloss Furnace. Oh yeah, and I finished my master's. I'm a graduate now. I have my master's degree. Yay! My mind can now relax again. I didn't think I was going to make it by the August 31st deadline, but I made it. On August 31st, at like 3:30 in the afternoon, I found out I passed. I had submitted my last assignment the day before. So anyway, there it is. Schloss Furnace, another piece of Birmingham. You guys take care, and I will catch you later.